Hi and welcome to the Mira Showers live stream as part of the virtual Screwfix live event that's happening throughout this week. I'm Kerry.
And I'm Paul. And throughout this live stream, we'll be sharing details about some of our most exciting products which are currently available to purchase through Screwfix, and also details of an exclusive giveaway which we're doing as part of this event.
Yes, and as well as talking you through the product details, we'll also be hosting a live Q&A throughout this session, giving you the opportunity to ask questions about any of the products that we're presenting today, or any of the questions that you might have. Our team of experts are poised and ready to answer these for you.
So you're very likely to have seen across social and also across the web that it's all about dual showering at the moment. And that's why we're going to be taking you through a selection of some of our most exciting and innovative showers which Screwfix currently has to offer.
So first up is the amazing Mira Dual electric shower. Now this is actually a first for Mira, as this is an electric shower which gives the unique experience of a luxurious overhead deluge, as well as the adjustable handset, which is available on all electric showers. So Paul, tell me why the Mira Dual is so special.
Well, Kerry, the Mira Dual comes with our new patented diverter technology, which allows you to divert between the fixed 200mm deluge and the adjustable handset, and it allows you to do so effortlessly without causing any restriction or back pressure.
So why is that so important, Paul?
So, Kerry, lots of these aftermarket diverter kits have been available for quite a while now, but very few are actually recommended for use with electric showers. And that's because as they transition between outlets, they often cause back pressure and restrictions, which can sometimes cause electric showers particularly to overheat and deliver unsafe temperatures. Our patented diverter though has been designed to overcome that and allows you to transition without any adverse effects and effect on pressure as well.
Wow, so a really clever piece of technology.
Absolutely, yes.
Amazing.
So the other thing that we've tried to factor into this as well is complete installation flexibility. So from an installer's perspective, it can also be installed to the left or to the right of the shower unit itself, as the diverter allows the outlet to pivot 180 degrees. It can be connected up to 300mm from the actual diverter to the shower unit, but there also is an additional extra hose which can be purchased if you need that to be ever so slightly longer, up to 600mm as well. When it comes to flexibility, you could say that the designers have also tried to think of everything from the user's perspective as well, which also means now that the deluge can pivot 45 degrees to the left or to the right, or it can be locked into place should you wish, in order to find that perfect showering centre right into the middle of the showering area as well.
So if I want to have the deluge head running and I don't want to wash my hair, I can move it out the way, I can move it back. It's just perfect, ideal. You have the same problem, right?
Exactly that. I hate to get my wet hair in the morning, yeah.
Okay, so that's not the only thing that you'll love about the Mira Dual. It's also available in 3 colour finishes: warm silver, which we have right here, black onyx, and also white. And the thing to also mention about Mira Dual is the technology that's packed inside of it as well. So Dual is equipped with our patented ClearScale technology. Now this is a unique heater tank design which extends the life of a Mira electric shower by up to 50% longer when compared with other showers without it. And this is especially important in hard water areas. The Mira Dual also comes complete with a 2-year manufacturer's warranty for added peace of mind. And as we claimed when we first launched this shower, you really do get more with the Mira Dual.
Thanks for that, Kerry. So as we mentioned at the start of the broadcast, there is also an opportunity for you guys at home to ask any questions that you might have. And as Kerry stated, we've got a team of experts on hand to answer those questions now. What we're also going to do as well is address some of the frequently asked questions that we get for the Mira Dual, and address those now in order to answer them in advance if you are thinking along those lines. So Kerry, what are the most common questions that we normally get for the Dual?
So one of the first questions actually is around low pressure. So does Mira Dual work on a low pressure system?
Great question. So the Mira Dual, being an electric shower, is designed for mains pressure cold water systems. So in answer to your question, no. Because they're an instantaneous heater and they heat the water instantly, they do need a constant supply of high pressure cold water. So you need a minimum maintained pressure on the Mira Decor Joule of 1 bar. So it needs to be fitted on high pressure cold system, and gravity fed systems aren't suitable either, unfortunately.
Right, okay, and what about if I want to install this shower in a restricted space? So we do have people talking about how much they love the look of the decor, how they're going to be, there's potential concerns around fitting the Joule in if they're installing under a sloping ceiling. So are there other options available?
There are, exactly, yeah. And you know, as much as we've tried to build in the flexibility with this as well, I did mention there is an optional extra in terms of an extended diverter hose. It does allow you to fit it ever so slightly lower, also to the left and right of the shower. But if space still is a problem, then what we also do the single outlet version of the Mira Decor, which has a traditional shower slide rail and the adjustable hand shower as well, just in case this still is too big.
Brilliant. Okay, so is the position of the deluge fixture adjustable? I know we've touched on that already.
Yeah, so yeah, we've touched on that. It is flexible from the left or right in terms of the pivot, can be locked into place, but there is also the option to pivot the actual the deluge shower head on the diverter rail itself as well.
Okay, brilliant. And what kilowatt versions are available with Decor?
Okay, in terms of kilowatt shower versions, the Decor Joule is only available in a 10.8 kilowatt, and that's merely to provide all of the power for the overhead deluge there as well. We mentioned a little bit earlier that there are single outlet versions available with an adjustable hand shower. Those versions are available in an 8.5 and a 9.5 kilowatt as well, Kerry.
Okay, fantastic.
As we look to answer some more of your questions later on in this live stream, we're now going to turn our attention to this, the Mira Platinum Joule digital shower. So what is a digital shower? So Kerry, you know, this is a question that we're asked a lot by installers and consumers as well, because really digital showering is still relatively new. So as well as the digital functionality, which comes with an array of user settings with the user controls and the user options, digital showers actually get their name from the digital valve technology on which they're based. So this is the actual digital valve box itself, the processor, the mixing valve, as people will sometimes refer to it. So within inside the actual digital valve box itself, or the shower valve, is housed a digital thermostatic mixing valve. So this is very similar to a traditional mixer cartridge, which will be found in a normal mixer shower, and it brings in the hot and the cold supply, blends the water in order to control that blend, stable, comfortable blend temperature that you would expect from a normal mixer shower. However, being digital, it gives that extra added allowance and also precision by reading the accurate temperature being delivered by the valve, and also the exact temperature which you've set on the user controller as well. So being digital, it does house a printed circuit board in there as well, and the printed circuit board, as well as maintaining that perfect temperature which you've set with the digital controller, it also remembers all of the user options which you would have set on the digital controller as well.
So it's in constant communication, talking to the controller at all times?
Absolutely, yes.
Right, brilliant. Okay, so one of the fabulous things about digital showers is the look that you're able to achieve, since there's no need to have a mixing valve on the wall in the shower area. So the mixing valve box is designed to be installed in the attic, in an airing cupboard, under the bath, and you just want to make sure that depending on where you're installing it, that you've still got access for servicing if needed. But there's no complicated installation. The mixing valve is fitted to the hot and cold water supply, and the electrical supply required is only a 3 amp fuse spur, or even a socket when installed outside of wet areas. There are also 2 valve platforms, so we have a high pressure valve for combination boilers and unvented hot water systems, and a pumped version for older gravity fed systems as well. And because it has an integrated pump, the pumped version will deliver up to 16 litres per minute from a gravity fed system. So just like with the high pressure version, the flow rate is enough to operate both outlets at the same time, which is pretty special.
So perhaps the most impressive functionality that you get with the digital shower are the range of user options available. So the Mira Platinum controller is completely wireless and is designed to be operated and installed up to 10 meters away from the actual digital shower valve or the valve box once that's installed, as Kerry mentioned, in the attic, in an airing cupboard, or even under the bath as well. So this is great for installation because there's no requirement then to chase out the wall to feed in communication cables to the actual digital user interface. As I mentioned, because it is completely surface mounted, it's just a case of installing the back plate and the user controller clips into place like so. So using the user controller then, you can operate the shower, turn it on and off. We've got 2 outlets there for our dual shower, which we have here. It also allows you to control the flow using the chrome bezel on the outside, control the temperature, and also, because these are also available as an optional accessory as well, you can connect up to 5 wireless controllers to a Platinum digital shower, which means you can have them installed next to your bed, inside of the shower, outside of the shower enclosure, in fact anywhere you fancy, providing it's within 10 meters to the actual digital valve box itself.
Exactly, really nice feature.
So one of the points at which digital showers come into their own really is the fact that the user controller and the shower can be programmed to set an array of different settings as well. So you can really customize the shower to exactly the perfect shower that you want. So some of the things that you can actually program on the Mira Platinum are run times and showering duration, which means that after the time that you determine, the shower will automatically turn itself off and let you know that it's time to get out. As well as being able to control the actual flow rate as well, it can also be preset and limited to an eco mode, meaning that the shower will never use any more than 50% of its maximum flow rate. The maximum temperatures can also be set as well using the wireless controller. This means that there's an added level of protection there for younger members of the family or even vulnerable people, whereby you want to limit that temperature. And the added benefit of being able to set the time means that you'll never have an excuse for being late for work.
So this is all really great. So if you've got kids that are using the shower, you can limit how much time they're spending in the shower. They know what time it is, so they know what time to get out. And also, if needs be, you can turn it off from outside the shower as well.
Exactly that, Kerry.
Amazing, amazing flexibility. So it has to be the contemporary design of the Mira Platinum that sets it apart. So as well as a striking black and chrome user controller, the Mira Platinum also comes with its signature handset, the Mira 360 Black, which Paul is showing to you right now. This great design allows you to flip through its 4 unique spray experiences using the patented 360 flip mechanism, delivering a unique and powerful choice of sprays. So teamed with a generous 250ml overhead deluge, this really is the ultimate showering experience. Plus, with a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, you can enjoy the shower for years to come with added peace of mind. And for 5 years to come, definitely, you'll have that assured peace of mind. So as part of the broadcast, we're also offering you an opportunity to take part in an exclusive giveaway, especially for this event, where you can win any Mira Platinum digital shower of your choice across the Screwfix range. So it really is an absolutely fantastic prize. To be in with a chance, just head to the Mira brand page for the Screwfix live event for further details, and you'll find the link near the bottom.
So now it's time to go back to the live Q&A, which we're hosting as part of the broadcast. There's still plenty of time to submit your questions, so get them in for us to review. And what we're also going to do is review some of the more frequently asked questions on the Mira Platinum range of digital showers too. So Kerry, what do we normally get asked when it comes to Platinum and digital showers? Right, okay, one question is, how is the controller powered? Great question. So we did mention obviously that it is completely wireless, and at the back here it's a case of simply removing 4 screws, and there's 3 AA batteries. Normally they would last anything from 12 to 18 months depending on usage. This is only ever really using power when you're actually activating the shower and using any of the functions. When it lays dormant, it turns itself off and the batteries will last for an extended period then. Brilliant. Okay, interesting question. What kilowatt ratings are available? Okay, that is a fantastic question. It's a trick question. It's a trick question, but a fantastic one nevertheless. So as we mentioned right at the start, digital showers are a mixing valve technology. So unlike an electric shower such as the deck or dual which we have here, digital showers don't actually heat the water. They mix the hot and cold from your existing plumbing supply to deliver the perfect blend temperature. So in regards to power, they don't actually work off of a kilowatt rating per se. It is just a case of either a 3 amp fuse spur or even, as you mentioned earlier, Kerry, a plug, providing that this has been installed outside of the wet area.
Brilliant. Okay, so if I have a pumped gravity fed hot water system, then what type of digital shower do I need?
Right, so you touched on this a little bit earlier, Kerry, just in terms of the valve platforms. We have 2 valve platforms available. So this is a high pressure version, single outlet, and this has been designed specifically for combination boilers and unvented hot water cylinder systems. And as you mentioned as well, we also have a pumped version, which is designed with an integrated pump for gravity fed systems. If you have a pumped gravity fed system with a pump already installed, what we would recommend is that actually the pump that has been installed, that can be taken out, and by purchasing a pumped digital shower, the integrated pump will do the work and propel the water to the shower. There is no need for an integrated pump already on that gravity fed system.
Okay, thank you very much. So last but certainly not least, we're going to be focusing on the Mira App RD bar mixer shower. We said at the beginning of the broadcast that it's all about dual showering at the moment, and this is a great option to upgrade your bathroom, either as a new installation or a fantastic upgrade for an existing bar valve you might already have installed. Having 150mm pipe centres, the Mira App RD can be retrofitted directly over an existing bar valve for a truly luxurious upgrade.
That's right, Kerry. Whether the Mira App RD is for an upgrade or for a new installation, you can buy with confidence, as it comes complete with Mira MagniFlow technology, which means that it will work on any plumbing system, even low pressure gravity fed systems with pressure as low as 0.1 bar. Because of the way in which we design our mixers, they're much more free flowing compared to others on the market, which means they'll deliver up to 3 times as much flow compared to other showers that on any system that you install them to.
For added flexibility and less hassle when installing the Mira app, this shower also comes supplied with a fast fix installation kit. If you're installing this from scratch as a new installation, this makes the installation much faster and easier, plus all the water connections are made on the outside of the tiles for a neat and watertight finish.
With a 5-year manufacturer's warranty, the Mira App RD makes the ideal upgrade, with the added peace of mind that this upgrade is for the long haul. The Mira App range is only available from Screwfix and is also Screwfix trade rated, which really is no surprise given that it is one of the best selling mixer showers available from Screwfix currently. So our team of experts are still waiting to take your live questions, but it's that time again where Kerry and I will answer some of the most frequently asked questions on the Mira App RD. So Kerry, what do we normally get asked about this particular shower?
So I think for us at Mira, we would automatically know exactly what this means, but it would come as no surprise to a lot of our viewers to hear that one of the most commonly asked questions is, what is an ERD? So Paul, what is an ERD? ERD
is an acronym and it stands for Exposed Rigid Diverter. So it's an exposed valve, has a rigid deluge, and you can divert between the variable hand shower and the deluge as well. It is sharing terminology, but a great question nevertheless, not to be confused with EV, which is exposed variable, which is also available in a variant of apt, where it just comes complete with the variable hand shower as well.
So another question we often get asked is, I'm looking to replace an existing bar valve mixer shower with Z-like connectors, so will this fit?
Z connectors, absolutely yes. So Z connectors are a more traditional method of installing bar valves, and they're a 1/2 inch connection to a 3/4 inch connection, which then attaches to the actual bar valve itself. So if anybody at home does have Z connectors securing their old bar valve to the wall, leave them in place. You can take the old bar valve off, install the Mira app in its place straight onto those Z connectors, install the diverter and the rail kit in its place, and it will be absolutely fine.
So really flexible installation.
Absolutely.
Great. And do I need a pump to feed this shower?
Right, great question again. So we mentioned a little bit earlier on about the capability of Mira App RD and the MagniFlow technology that we include as part of that. So absolutely, this can be installed onto a gravity-fed system which already has a pump installed. But again, peace of mind, you don't necessarily have to have a pump. It will work on gravity-fed systems without a pump installed. And again, we're confident that it will give you a much better performance than a like-for-like mixer shower, where you'll receive up to 3 times as much flow anyway, whether you have the pump or not.
Fantastic. So that's all we have time for today. We'd just like to say thank you for joining us and for the questions you've submitted as part of the Q&A. It's been really, really enjoyable, so thank you very much.
Don't forget, there's still an opportunity to take part in our exclusive giveaway, especially for this event, where you can win any Mira Platinum digital shower of your choice across the Screwfix range. This is a fantastic prize, so head over to the landing page on the Mira Screwfix Live landing webpage for further details and to be in with a chance to win.
Thank you once again, and take care.
Thank you.